So, I'm gonna do some rock collecting today. It's very slow going. It's, I think, minus 26 degrees Celsius today with wind chill. That's why it's very slow going. Usually I just go down there, I can pick up rocks. That's where I get all my rocks from my fire pit and stuff like that. Not quite the same today. It's a little chillier. Do got the little propane stove up here, burning the paint off it. Once I go grab lunch, I might bring out a pot, boil up my first pot of water and have a cup of tea off it. But you see this little pile of rock right here? That's been a half hour of smashing with a hammer. So let's just take a little walk down the hill here and I'll show you what I'm doing. Woods is very quiet today. And slippery. Especially because my boots are frozen. Oh, it's like a little dried creek bed here. You get some water flow in the spring. But I'm coming to the parts where I could see some rock. Smash them off with a hammer. Oh, I hate it when I lose one. Oh, there it is. If you ever decide that, hey, it's a nice balmy minus 27 degree day, it'd be a good day to go pick up rocks, stay inside. Only reason I'm doing this is I'm out here cutting wood today. So let me turn around there. There we go, that's better lighting. So in between trees I'll drag them up and stacks them up, getting ready to cut them up in springtime sometime. I do this to take a break from dragging trees. I really wanted to get some progress done in this cabin. I was like thinking about it a lot in the past couple of days. Watched Alone in the Wilderness 1 and 2 by, I don't know, 14 times in the past 6 days. Watched Solitude and Silence once. And I had a friend over. We were just talking about how great it's going to be to get in there, have my first fire. My first meal inside the cabin. I'll get at this and I'll give you a progress report at the end of the video to show you what little I could accomplish throughout the entire day. I think I only got about 4 more hours light left. So, better get doing something, because it doesn't get done unless I do it. My tea is almost done, so I'm gonna go and warm up. And the rock pile has grown, by the way. Kind of nice. Woo, look at all those rocks. 3 buckets. Find some much larger rocks that are easier to get out of in the woods. Got my tea. I was gonna finish off my tea. And then call it a day. I think I'm getting a bit better looking in the lens of the camera and not on my viewfinder to see what it looks like. It's gonna be a lot of work. And for rock collecting, I think I've only got the next couple weeks. Then we're supposed to be getting a foot and a half of snow in one night, so that'll put my rock collection on hold, but I'll still be able to cut logs, drag them here, hopefully skin some of them. Just a pain in the butt this time of year too. And hopefully in a couple weeks I'll be making my first notch. Can't wait. So see you guys in the next video. I think it's supposed to be warm up to like +9 next week, so I'll be able to get a bit more done. Hopefully a lot more rock moved. Give a thumbs up and subscribe if you would, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks a lot.